Ka Rhododendron Trek ha opashlong kalongkum ka sunduk bu spa ha ka kamlet yat kai suwari ni adventure ka badonnya ka khana pateng bat ka jing itana jong ka saudong saukun ka mariang. Ha ki jaka ba ithiang jong ka jela Meghalaya ka ni ka trek kamdei tang na ka benta kiriu it mariang balit Shanghai shi ki jaka thamai hindai ka deiru ka jaka ka balong kongsan bha ha ka khana pateng. Ka ni ka jaka yat kai ni trek ka donnya ki bongka ni ki thliu jaka ri jong ki shipai yele thma jong ka thma ba baningkong. Kapapin i ka jingriu spa ka than ha ka khana pateng jong kitma kini ki jingtei ubarim baja ka yengkum ka sakhi ya ka jinglong kong san kani ka jaka ha ka thma kani ka jaka yat ka don ru ya ki jingtei jong ka sarkar bilat kenthup ya ki kinro ki bapin i ka jingkrau ki barikor ha ka juk sanchar ka ri bilat kini ki jingtei ki la kerda ya ka jingya jong ka por bat ki dang bateng ban pinyap bi ya ki babun ki nonglet pitkai ka Rhododendron Trek kare ka jaka badon bunjat ki jing tep bat ki marat ki mereng kwa penlong ya ka kum ka paradise na ka benta ki riu e mariang ka trek ka paunam khamtam e na ka jingdon ya ki sintiu Rhododendron ki ba itnat ki ba pho hasilinter ki linti yan bat ki ba pinyap mat ya baro da ka jing thumu ka ba kerpang umentri rangba ka jela konrat sangma menta ka sngi ulami ben let ya kai step shakate ka jaka ka papin pau ya ka jing thrang jong sarkar ban kin tiu ya ka pateng bariu spa jong ka jela bat ka jing itnat jong ka mariang kani ka jing pursang ka thumu ban pin smutho shapang ka jing dan kam ban pinne pinsa ya ki culture bat ka spa mariang jong ka than bat ka jela baro ka wei kani ka jing le ya kai step jong uminti rangba lo yo i baga dei ka sin jam ka bakong san jong ka sarkar ban sei shik pyrthei ya ka spa mariang jong ka jela Meghalaya dagani ka sin jam la khmi linti bakan kintiu ya ki kam jong kai ha ka than ka banyara ban kintiu bhai ka kamai ka ji jong ki nong song snong ka than ka Rhododendron Trek kalong ka nuksa ka babyang e jong ka Meghalaya ka bariu spa ha ka culture bat ka mariang da ka jingdon jong ka ya ka history ka jingtei umen barim bat ka jing itana jong ka mariang ka ni ka trek ka ka jaka ka badei ban let jingo bha na ka benta ki nong lit changkai ki bariu bas ngotana ya ka history bat ki nong e ya ka mariang kumju kat ba ka sarkar kadang bateng ban kin tiu bat pin sapriang ya ki jingtip shapang ka ni ka jaka Shanghai badang duna e ki batim lakmi linti bashisian kasngi kan solong ka jaka jingok kai pyrthei ka ban kring bha ha ka than.
So we are here today in the Rhododendron Trek, and we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times, and it's in a way a very not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very, very systematically done. And again, another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore, it's a very important location, beautiful trek. And I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state, as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really, really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience.